She said, what if I die deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. I told her thinking is all wrong. Love will happen anymore.
Okay, hello. I am refilming this video. I was filming a very nice makeup get ready with me video and it failed. But I thought of not giving up and still making a video out of what I'm doing today, because I feel pretty today and I feel ready for the day today and I feel very excited, so I thought why not vlog about it. So I'm gonna be following a makeup tutorial. You guys should totally check it out, and I'm gonna try it on me today while I read out to you my 2022 New Year's resolutions. I just wanted to share my goals for 2022 with you guys. Also, I want you guys to use my comment section to interact with me, to tell me what your goals for 2022 are. So this year I have divided my goals into little sections. Even last year I had divided my goals into sections, but they were very blunt, and they posed a great threat to me whenever I read them. I didn't feel motivated or happy about them. I just felt bad about not being able to do anything to achieve them, even though I achieved a lot of them. But the ones that I did not achieve really discouraged me towards the middle of the year. If I sound really weird, it's because of my cold. I'll be focusing on, progressing towards a better Japneet this year. And I'm very excited about that to come true, like my vision of my dream self to come to life. I'm extremely excited about that. Now I'm gonna use some highlighter. Okay, so I'll talk about health and fitness first. This goal might sound extremely stupid to you, but since 2020 I have wanted visible abs, and I did get them for a while, but then I shifted towards a very unhealthy lifestyle. The dream of abs, it almost seemed very unrealistic. This year I want to work on my lifestyle, so I feel like I will get good visible abs this year. For 2022, I also want my skin, my body to be extremely hydrated the whole time. I do not seem to be able to drink water by myself, so even if I have to use applications or anything to get myself drinking water, I think I'll do it. Honestly, it is that important for me to hydrate myself this year. Another health related goal is that I want skin that glows from within. I want beautiful, clear and glowy skin this year. I had, as I'm saying, a very unhealthy lifestyle during 2021, and I want my dark circles, my eye bags to just kind of disappear. I just want to have a healthier looking skin, healthier looking face. What I'm doing here is I'm basically just dabbing in highlighter onto my cheeks to make my skin look really dewy. Okay, so the next goals I have are for wellness, my mental wellness. I feel like I had been very disconnected with my spiritual self. I need to have a healthier subconscious mind, so for that I feel like I will practice visualization. I want to focus on building habits for 2020 and not just blunt goals, pressurizing myself. Using a little here, little here, little here, little here, and I'm gonna dab it in. Okay, apart from that, I really want to get into meditation. I have never practiced meditation honestly with myself. That I really want to try that. People say it works wonders. Also, with wellness, I want to have a clean environment. I want to make a habit of, putting stuff away the moment I get done using it. Like, I want to have a clean room this year. I want to have good mental health. But of course, for that, I need to have micro goals, and those will be journaling and practicing self-confidence exercises. So those are some things that I will be getting into this year. I think you guys also should have such goals to, improve your mental health, because that is what matters a lot, okay? I really want to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to do it off camera because I make really weird faces while doing my eyeliner. Okay, so that was quite a task. Oh, that's good, that's great. Yeah, now I want to talk about relationships. How do I want my relationships with my friends, my family to be this year? Having cold is tough, guys. Having cold is very tough. I cannot. If my friends get new friends, I started being jealous of those people. I started finding traits in myself that I didn't really like, and I thought my friends would have a problem with, which is something really toxic I got into. So I want to kick that out of myself. Yeah, I would have tons of outings with my friends this year. Okay, so for blush, what I'm gonna do, this is Nivea cream. This is holy grail, honestly. So I'm gonna take some on my fist. Then I am gonna take this lipstick. It's an old lipstick of my mom. I'm just gonna, take some of the lipstick over there. I'm trying to make creme blush out of this situation over here. Wow. Now I officially have a red face. I also want to have a bomb-ass birthday this year. For 2022, I want to have a really close-knit birthday with my family and friends. It will be my 17th birthday. So I want it to be exciting. Okay, now coming to YouTube goals, I want to make at least 15 videos this year. I want to upload weekly. It might sound like a lot, but I also want about 10k subscribers by the end of 2022. I feel like I can do it if I upload consistently. Fingers crossed. And I also want to make 2 short films this year. They can be documentaries, they can just be really short films. I am into filmmaking, and I really want to get into making films. I want to learn Premiere Pro by the end of 2022. But I currently edit on Wondershare Filmora, and I want to start editing on Premiere Pro for 2022. We will do mascara. My financial goals, I just want to save up for college, because +2 and then next year I'll have college, and college is expensive. So I want to help my parents in funding my further studies, and I want to earn about rupees 15,000 at least by the end of the year. And even if I earn something, I want to save my money more than I spend it. So I'll save up to the desired amount till the end of the year. I think I should do my lip gloss. Okay, about my academic goals, I want to submit my assignments before the deadline, so I want to have this little habit. And I also want to get into daily revision. I think that just really helps in getting the syllabus completed by the end of the year. I want to learn either of these languages. Either I want to learn French or I want to learn Spanish in 2022. I'm basically focused on not having blunt resolutions but having micro and macro goals to form habits that I want to continue persistently and consistently throughout 2022. And I'm done with my makeup. I'm just gonna let my hair down. I really like it, to be honest.
AB.